Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see what I picked up quite a few products. We have some miscellaneous things, some skincare products, a lot of makeup. I'm really excited for today's haul. So if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. So let's tackle miscellaneous as always first. So I went ahead and picked up this headband here. This is called the Fashion Accessories headband in the shade white. So as you guys know, I picked up the blue one before. I saw this white one and honestly it looked so nice. It's probably not going to be this clean forever because my hair is black. I do dye my hair. Sometimes I spray my hair with black on it just to cover my roots. So this is probably going to be covered in black soon. But yeah, I really love this like velvet kind of moment. It's just really cute. So it's just cute for when I'm doing my makeup and I want to push my hair back. I have one from Versed that's right behind me, which is this is supposed to be like a dupe for that one there, and it's honestly really nice. So really nice and comfortable on the head. I wouldn't necessarily wear these out like an actual headband, but I really like it for when I'm doing my makeup, just to remove my hair from my face and have a clean canvas vibe. So yeah, really cute. And I cannot wait to do a look with this on. It's just so cute. I completely forgot that I had purchased these two sets of straws. So I saw these, and these are called the Everyday Heart-Shaped Straws, and it comes with 12 each. And basically it's just pink straws, and the actual like ends of the straw are like little hearts. So I thought these were so cute. I can keep one in my car just in case, you know, like if I ever go out they forget to give me a straw, I have one on hand. And I also do want some for like my tumblers and stuff. So yes, these are so cute, and again they're just my vibe. So I went ahead and picked up two sets of the straws. Why do I pick things up in twos? I don't know, but I picked up two Sharpies, one for my fanny pack and one for home, because I like really been in need of a Sharpie, and I have various colors, but black is the only one that I don't have in my collection right now. So I went ahead and picked up two black Sharpies, which are definitely going to come in handy. I also do like to keep a extra toothbrush on hand, especially because I like to switch them out after a couple months. I think you should like be switching them out every like 3 to 4 months, I believe. So yeah, I just keep buying them from Dollar Tree because they're inexpensive and they work out for me. So I pick up the Colgate Soft Raised Cleaning Tips Plus Clean and Refresh toothbrush in the shade pink. There's a look at that. Again, it just works for me, so I keep purchasing this one here. This cute little makeup bag, and I thought it was adorable. It says Wake Up and Makeup, which ironically is like the first picture I've ever posted on Instagram said Wake Up and Makeup, with a bunch of like generic makeup products on it. And I thought this was so cute. It has the pink lining, and you just never know when you're gonna need a makeup bag. It does have like a little holder. So this is from Sassy Chic, and this is their cosmetic bag. Adorable. I did pick up one nail polish. We have the other colors, Color Craze nail polish with hardeners. So this is interesting because it does come with a nail glitter in here as well, and I've seen these quite a few times at the Dollar Tree. I just never really picked it up. So I picked up this shade in the shade Pink Vibe. There's a look at that glitter. This is the nail polish in Pink Vibe. So I did pick up two like skincare kind of products, both. Oh no, they're from different brands. Okay, so I have one from Real Techniques, and this is their Sponge Plus. This is their Miracle Skincare Sponge, and this is meant to prep. So I'm not sure what it does. So it says tone and stimulate, and also says new. So Miracle Skincare Sponge enhances skin's natural glow for even makeup application. Okay, so you're supposed to wet it. I didn't even know that. It says apply toner with sponge and skincare products with massager. Cool. So there's a look at that. Interesting. It's actually really cool. Okay girl. It does say Real Techniques on the back, and it does have that like bumpiness right there. So did pick up the Eco Tools Bio Blender. It's a cleansing mitt, so it says also new, but I've seen these at like Target and like Walmart and stuff. So yeah, these have been out for a while. I just never really picked it up, but for a $125 I was like, girl, why not? So this is meant to remove oil and dirt, so you can exfoliate with this product, which it's just like those little exfoliating mitts that they sell like on Shamase. You can hang it and like after you wash or whatever. This is adorable. So it's like a little mitt. Kind of do that, apply your cleanser and start like rubbing. That's so cute. We're gonna get into the makeup. So we have 3 lip balms from this LA Colors Gelato lip balms. I know I picked up 2 other ones in a past Dollar Tree haul. Came out with a couple of new flavors or scents. Girl, what is this bang doing? So first off, we have the Gelato lip balm in strawberry. We have the one in cotton candy and the one in coconut, which I've never seen the coconut one ever. But let me give you guys a close-up look at this blue one and then the strawberry. I don't know if I'm gonna open them just yet because I might not keep them all, but I just wanted to show you guys the new lip balms that they have available. We also have some new Sassy Chic brushes, and it looks like these are part of like some kind of sprinkles collection or something. So I picked up 3 of their brushes. First off, we have this Sassy Chic makeup brush. Looks to be like an eyeshadow brush. It doesn't really tell you what they are, but you could essentially use makeup brushes for whatever you want. There's a look at the 3 brushes that I picked up. There's a look at the ends of the brushes, and then there's a look at the top. These are so cute. So this one's definitely going to be a perfect like eyeshadow brush, and we have a couple of face brushes to try out. Lastly, we have some Beauty Intuition products. We have their Beauty Intuition Bold and Bright lipstick, and this is the one in honey nude. It's supposed to moisturize and hydrate as well. And then we have the shade Sweet Pink. So there's a look at the first shade. These are actually really nice, really creamy. I'm really excited for this pink one. Ooh, love. Don't smell like chocolate like the other lipsticks. Oh my gosh, why? I'm kind of sad. But yeah, I do have the other like darker shades, as you guys know. These are the ones I have on hand right now, but these literally smell so good. I don't know why they would not put the scent on these new ones. They smell so good. But here's a look at the one that I own already. And then this is like a beautiful like burgundy vibe. So beautiful. All right, so lastly for Beauty Intuition, we have 3 of their new mascaras. So this is their big curl lashes in the green, big long lashes in the white packaging, and lastly big plump lashes in the pink packaging, which you guys know I had to pick up. So these as well I braved about before on my channel. I've tried one of their past mascaras. I think I picked up 2 other shades before, but I really like them. So I love just like picking up new ones. Here's a white one. I'm not gonna open them just yet because I don't want them to dry out super fast, but I'm gonna grab my past one so I can show you what the other ones look like. There's a look at the mint one. There's a look at all 3 of those mascaras. I love this packaging. The other mascaras that I already have in my collection, we have the pink. Oh, it's a dark pink. There's the other pink compared to it, and then we have an orange and a purple. There's a look at the wand of this pink one, the orange one, and lastly the purple. Alright girls, so that was the last product from today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have my Dollar Tree playlist, which is going to be linked down below if you want to watch some of my past haul videos, full faces, or ranking videos from Dollar Tree. It's going to be in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!